Right, guys, let's start. So, in this 20 minutes, like my goal is super simple. My goal is to convince you to put on muscle mass. That's what my goal would be. And I hope that what we covered in the last week was of help to you, as Ritika has already given a basic overview of what were the things and like what was something that people were able to really adapt in their daily lifestyle. The goal for this week, the goal for this week is very clear. It's muscle mass. How do you build muscle, and why is it so important? So I'll not waste much time. The agenda is why muscle is so important. Why do you need to focus on preventing muscle? How to build muscle, and then you need to like do three simple tasks for week two, and that's it, plain and simple. So uh, New Year just started. We are sitting in Jan. एंड सब लोग ये एक गोल लेते हैं कि हमें इस साल वेट लॉस करना है एंड ट्रस्ट मी दिस इज द रॉन्ग गोल टू हैव दिस इज द मोस्ट रॉन्ग हेल्थ गोल टू हैव दैट यू वांट टू लूज वेट because weight loss is a function of fat loss and muscle loss and we don't know whether we are losing fat or we are losing muscle. So I want to start this session with a very small quiz. So imagine two people who have the same height. Person A is weighing 70 kg and has a 30% body fat. Person B weighs 80 kg and has a 20% body fat. Who is healthier and why? You can use the chat window at your disposal. What do you think? Who is healthier and why is he healthier? What do you think? Okay, person B is healthier. It's the right answer, but it's an incomplete question. The question is incomplete. We also need to understand the biomarkers for the person as well. But that being said, person B is definitely healthier looking at the stats that I just like the incomplete information that I've given to you. Person B is healthier because he has more muscle mass and has a low body fat percentage. Now, I want all of you to imagine like two tanks in your head. Imagine two tanks. एक टैंक है 500 लीटर का, दूसरा टैंक है 1000 लीटर का. अगर मैं छोटे वाले टैंक में 500 लीटर वाले टैंक में 1000 लीटर पानी डालूंगा तो क्या होगा? The water will start flowing out. And the same thing happens with the body as well. Your muscle is fundamentally your tank. I will explain this. Now, imagine that there are the two examples that I have given you. Now, the person A who is thin, who has less muscle mass, is the 500-liter tank. And the person who has more muscle mass, the person who is jacked, has a 1000-liter tank. So a person who has 1000-liter tank will have a higher capacity to hold on to the food that he eat. He'll have higher capacity to hold on to the sugars than the person A. And that is exactly what muscle does for you. The most important thing is the people who have high muscle mass, their chances of getting diabetic are super low. This is the fact. So if you pour, so think of it this way, the tank which has higher capacity will be able to hold more sugar, will be able to hold more foods, or it will be able to hold more carbohydrates in general. Right? So all of you are clear that why muscle mass is so important. The more muscle you have, the bigger will be the storage capacity of your body. It's that plain and simple. Okay. Now, why building muscle is so important? This is a checklist. I will go through each point, and with every point that I tell, you will be more convinced that building muscle is super important. First point I've already covered, that it is a major site for glucose uptake. So if you have higher muscle mass, even if you binge eat at times, you eat sugary foods, you are having cakes, pastries, cookies, whatever is your whatever food you feel is something that you like. If you have high muscle mass, you will be able to eat guilt free, because when you have high muscle mass, your body needs a lot of energy just to maintain itself. सेकेंड पॉइंट, अगर आपका मसल ज्यादा है तो आपके जॉइंट्स को ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिलता है. तो जब बोलते हैं हमारे घुटने में दर्द हो रहा है, यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा है, इधर दर्द हो रहा है, पीठ में दर्द हो रहा है, वो नहीं होता. दैट विल नॉट हैपन जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव हाई मसल मास. राइट. सेकेंड थर्ड पॉइंट, your immunity levels are higher because muscles are reservoir for protein. They are like reservoir for amino acids. And when your body undergoes any form of illness, जब भी उस पे कोई अटैक होता है तो उसको एक इम्यून फंक्शन जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि हमारी इम्यूनिटी, सो मसल्स एक्ट एज reservoirs for that. Right. Yes, if you have any questions you can keep. Okay, fine, I'll mix it up. ठीक है. फोर्थ पार्ट, मसल्स हैव द हाईएस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, मतलब जो हमारे बॉडी में एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन के सेल्स होते हैं, जहाँ से हमारी पूरी बॉडी की एनर्जी बनती है, वो भी मसल्स में ही होते हैं। तो मसल्स एक्ट एज स्टोरेज फॉर ग्रोथ हार्मोन एंड मोर टेस्टोस्टेरोन। तो अगर आपका मसल मास ज्यादा है, आप इन जनरल ज्यादा खुश रहोगे। दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रो इन फैक्ट। तो अगर आपको ज्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ चाहिए, अगर आपको ज्यादा जीना है, तो आपको अपने मसल मास पे काम करना पड़ेगा। यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर मसल मास। इट इज दैट इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट जो मेरे को लगता है कि विच इज ट्रू फॉर एवरी वन इज, अगर आपका मसल मास हाई है तो आप डायबिटिक नहीं होगे। इंडिया में दिस अ स्टैट दैट सेज दैट 170 मिलियन पीपल आर डायबिटिक। 177 इज द एग्जैक्ट नंबर। बट आई विल टेल यू, इंडिया में 400 मिलियन से 500 मिलियन लोग, एवरी सेकेंड पर्सन इन इंडिया इज डायबिटिक। और लैंसेट ने जो स्टडी की थी, उसमें इसलिए वो नंबर नहीं आया 400 to 500 मिलियन, बिकॉज सब लोग ब्लड टेस्ट नहीं कराते। और जो लोग ब्लड टेस्ट कराते भी हैं, इंडिया में जो ब्लड टेस्ट की रेंजेस हैं वो इतनी ज़्यादा ऑफ हैं। तो डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं अगर आपका HbA1c 6 से ऊपर है तो आप डायबिटिक हो। बट you start your diabetes as soon as you hit 5.7 on your HbA1c। जैसे ही आपका HbA1c 5 से ऊपर गया, आप डायबिटीज की आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, यू आर प्री डायबिटिक। ठीक है। तो अगर आपका मसल मास ज्यादा है, तो आपका एवरेज ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल कम रहेगा, आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म सही रहेगा, आप ज्यादा खुश रहोगे, और आपको हड्डियों की दर्द, जॉइंट पेन्स, नथिंग विल हैपन, राइट। सो if you want to have a good quality of life, then muscle mass is super important. We'll discuss more on that, ठीक है। तो किसी ने ये वाला ग्राफ स्कूल में पढ़ा था? Does anyone remember studying this graph in school? Anyone? CBSE, ICSE, state boards? No? Yes? No? Did you see this graph in school? I'll take it as a no. It's a no because we are never taught this in school. But these are oh yes, okay, fine. So if you have been taught this in school, that's great. But just a quick revision: if you have been taught this in school, but if you have not been taught this in school, then this is something new for you. तो आप, अगर आप मेरा माउस का कर्सर देख सकते हो, दिस इज द पॉइंट इन टाइम व्हेन यू आर एट 30। तो जब आप 30 ईयर्स ओल्ड होते हो, आपका मसल मास एकदम पीक हिट करता है। उसके बाद धीरे 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 करते करते आपका मसल लॉस होता रहता है। सो वंस यू वंस यू क्रॉस 30, you have already started losing your muscle mass, and the older you get, the more frail you get। तो जितना जितना आपकी एज बढ़ती रहती है, उतना धीरे धीरे करके आपका मसल लॉस होता रहता है। एंड वैसे लोगों की क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ सबसे अच्छी होती है जिन लोगों का मसल मास ज्यादा होता है। दे हैव मोर कंट्रोल ओवर ऑल द थिंग्स, बिकॉज दे हैव हायर एनर्जी लेवल्स, they are more happier, they are more driven in general, because testosterone, growth hormone, is also made in the muscle. So as you age, you are losing your muscle. Okay, I hope that I'm able to convince you that why muscle mass is so important. If I'm not able to convince you, like drop it in the chat that I'm not convinced that why muscle is so important. Now you have to also understand कि आप जब एज करते हो, आप मसल क्यों लूज करते हो? बिकॉज आपके हॉर्मोन्स भी चेंज हो रहे होते हैं। मेन में टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल्स कम होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, विमेन में एस्ट्रोजन लेवल्स कम होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं। एंड दीज हॉर्मोन्स आर सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेंटेन मसल मास। सेकेंड पॉइंट विच इज लाइक ट्रू फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, हम सब लोग बैठे ही हैं पूरे दिन लैपटॉप के आगे या फाइल्स के आगे, काम कर रहे हैं, बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं। हम में से बहुत कम लोग ऐसे लोग हैं जो खड़े होकर काम करते हैं, या फिर जिनकी फील्ड जॉब है, जो वॉक करते हैं, 10,000 स्टेप्स वॉक करते हैं। तो जब आपका 90% या 80% टाइम बैठ के हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव अ सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल। और अगर आपका सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल है, तो आपका जो मसल है वो श्रिंक होते 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 एट्रोफी हो जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगा। बिकॉज बॉडी का बहुत सिंपल प्रिंसिपल होता है, अगर आप उसको यूज नहीं कर रहे तो बॉडी उसको उड़ा देती है। एग्जाम्पल, ह्यूमंस की पहले टेल होती थी, वी हैड अ टेल। बट धीरे 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 एवोल्यूशन का साइकिल ऐसा हुआ कि हमें टेल की जरूरत ही नहीं थी, वी डोंट नीडेड अ टेल, तो वो टेल खत्म होगी। सिमिलरली, जो चीज आप यूज नहीं कर रहे हो वो खत्म हो जाएगी। ठीक है। थर्ड पॉइंट, जैसे आप एज करते हो, आपके डाइजेशन भी कमजोर होती रहती है। दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फैक्ट दैट योर डाइजेशन, द सिंथेसिस, अगर आपने 100 ग्राम से कुछ खाना खाया, जो उसका सिंथेसिस होता है वो भी कम होता रहता है। तो जैसे जैसे आपकी एज होती है, यू नीड मोर प्रोटीन। तो if I talk about myself and my parents would need more protein than me. If I'm not educating them on that, I'm doing them a great disservice. So this is one point, that your parents would need more protein compared to you. If you need 1 gram per 1 kg of your weight, for your 1 kg of ideal body weight, your parents need 1.5. If you're not giving that, you're doing them a great disservice. Last point, जैसे जैसे आप एज करते हो आपको खाने की कैपेसिटी भी कम होती है. तो अगर आप कम खाना खाओगे तो आपका प्रोटीन भी कम होएगा, आपका माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डिसफंक्शन भी होगा, 10 चीज़ें और हो रही हैं बॉडी में. सो all in all, it's a big hit as you age. But we are here to talk about how to reverse these things. We are here to give you hope. So first things first, before we understand कि मसल कैसे बनता है, all of you need to understand कि हम कहाँ पे हैं. Build तब होगा जब हमें पता होगा हम कहाँ पे हैं. So to understand where you are, you get a body composition done today. It's very simple. It's free of cost. Go to any nearby gym. उनको बोलो कि मेरे को आपकी जिम मेंबरशिप लेनी है, मत लेना उसके बाद चाहे, बट उनको बोलो मेरे को जिम मेंबरशिप लेनी है, आई वांट टू गेट अ बीसीए डन. इट इज एन एम्प्टी स्टमक. गो टुमारो मॉर्निंग एंड गेट अ बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन एनालिसिस डन. वहाँ पे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स योर बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज, व्हाट्स योर स्केलेटल मसल मास, आपका वेस्ट टू हिप रेशियो क्या है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, यू विल नो व्हाट्स योर विसरल फैट परसेंटेज. Visceral fat is the fat that is around your organs. It's super dangerous if it is greater than 10%. You need to really work on that. And definitely your body mass index. तो अगर आपका गोल इस न्यू ईयर था कि यार मेरे को वेट लॉस करना है, तो with this test you will know that it's a wrong goal to have, because you don't need to lose weight. You need to reduce body fat percentage and you need to gain muscle. So if you gain muscle and you lose body fat percentage, your weight will remain the same. And that is the best success that you can do for your body. Okay. If you're not exercising and if you're not maintaining your nutrition and you're losing weight, you will be at a worse place than where you are now. So weight loss should not be the only goal. If it happens, that's great. But focus on putting on muscle. Cool. Okay. I'll very quickly walk through it. क्या होगा अगर आप मसल मास नहीं गेन करते? स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगी, बैलेंस इम्पेयर हो जाएगा. चलो सब लोग, इफ ऑल ऑफ यू कैन टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो, लेट्स डू वन सिंपल एक्टिविटी. If you cannot turn on your video, still I would tell you, do this activity. Let's try to balance ourselves. So what we basically have to do is, we have to stand on our one leg for 30 seconds without wobbling. So जो ये होता है, this is called wobbling. So without wobbling, you have to stand on one leg for 30 seconds. Cool. So I'll switch on the timer and okay. So all of you can rest. You can rest. Okay. So, okay, I'll give all of you a minute to settle in. Okay, that's great. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. So you have to stand on a one leg and we have to hold this for 30 seconds without wobbling. If we are wobbling, that basically means that we have an impaired balance. And if we have an impaired balance, that means that somewhere there is some composition that we need to work on, right? And if you are able to do this, and if you're able to close your eyes as well, then you have an even better sense of balance. You're done 30 seconds, right? So if you're able to do this, that's great. If you're able to not do it, you need to work on your balance as well. तो कहीं ना कहीं एज रिलेटेड इम्पैक्ट आना स्टार्ट हो रहा है बॉडी पे. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग, अगर आप मसल नहीं बिल्ड करोगे तो डायबिटीज होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा रहेंगे. हड्डियों में दर्द होएगी, चल नहीं पाओगे, पॉस्चर खराब हो जाएगा. यू वुड हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव अ बेंट बैक because they have low, the strength of the lower back muscles are on the lower side. Fatigue होगा, weakness होगा, मजा नहीं आएगा बेसिकली जीने में, right? Then there will be mental health issues, there will be loss of confidence, you might have depression, you might have anxiety. Why? Because the biggest discovery of the last decade is that when you contract your muscles, right, when you are working out, when you're contracting your muscles release hope molecules. So hope molecules is like your in-house pharmacy. Pharmacy पता सबको? Pharmacy पता सबको? Chemist. तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर भगवान ने हमें एक इन हाउस फार्मेसी दी है, और व्हेन वी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आवर मसल्स प्रोड्यूस होप मॉलिक्यूल्स. नाउ दीस होप मॉलिक्यूल्स टेल आवर ब्रेन दैट एवरीथिंग इज गुड, वी आर फीलिंग हैप्पी. So hope molecules give you hope. They make you feel happy. So if you're working out, you will have better mental health, your confidence levels will be high, and depression and anxiety will be on the lower end. Cool. There's so many benefits. Now let's come to the real deal. 10 more minutes and we'll be done. Let's come to the real deal. How do you preserve your muscle? What you should be doing? Strength training, anti-gravity movements 20 minutes a day. What is anti-gravity? When you are pushing your body against gravity, that is called anti-gravity. So let's say if I squat and if I jump, so what I am doing is I am doing an anti-gravity movement because I am using my muscle force against gravity. So that is called an anti-gravity movement. Let's say I take a dumbbell and I curl a dumbbell. So what am I doing? I'm using my muscle force and I'm moving it against gravity. If I do a shoulder press, so what I'm basically doing, I am using my shoulder muscle and pushing it against gravity. So this is called an anti-gravity movement. Whenever you do anti-gravity movement, you are basically like breaking your muscle fiber. And when you break your muscle fiber, it is then when you start to build your muscle by eating enough protein. That brings me to the second point कि आपको strength train करना है और उसके साथ साथ आपको प्रोटीन भी खाना है. क्योंकि अगर आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेन करते जाओगे और आप प्रोटीन नहीं खाओगे तो मसल फाइबर तो ब्रेक होता जाएगा, बट वो वापस रीबिल्ड कैसे होगा? बिकॉज उसको एडिक्वेट न्यूट्रिशन ही नहीं मिल रहा है. सो अगर आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेन कर रहे हो तो उसके साथ आपको 1.2 से 1.5 ग्राम प्रोटीन भी मीट करना है. सो दैट बिकम्स आर सेकेंड टास्क. नाउ देयर आर अदर थिंग्स एज वेल लाइक न्यूट्रिशन डेफिशिएंसीज. इस पे मैं डीप डाइव नहीं करूंगा. बॉडी मसाज इज अ प्लस. आई वुड रिकमेंड ऑल ऑफ यू, if you have the resources, take a body massage at least once a month. You will feel really, really good. You will feel super relaxed. And the most important point is you have to manage stress. If you don't manage stress and you're working out, no matter you take how much protein, you will not put on muscle because stress will eat up everything. Cortisol is one hormone that will eat up your muscle. So two things. There are two things that we have to do is we have to strength train and we have to take adequate amount of protein. कैसे लेना है वो हम आपको अभी बताते हैं. ठीक है. तो हम आपके साथ ना एक प्रोटीन चार्ट शेयर करेंगे. वी विल शेयर द प्रोटीन चार्ट विद ऑल ऑफ यू. तो वो प्रोटीन चार्ट में एक वैल्यू मेंशन रहेगी कि अगर आप 100 ग्राम पनीर खा रहे हो एक दिन में तो आपको उस पनीर से 20 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलेगा. अगर आप एक अंडा खा रहे हो तो उस एक अंडे से आपको 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलेगा. अगर आप प्रोटीन स्मूदी पी रहे हो तो आपको 2 स्कूप से 20 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलेगा. अगर आप सत्तू ले रहे हो तो 1 स्कूप या 2 स्कूप से 6 से 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलेगा. सो वी विल शेयर अ प्रोटीन चार्ट विद यू एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस टू कैलकुलेट योर प्रोटीन इनटेक. ठीक है, एकदम से नहीं आता. इट कम्स विद प्रैक्टिस. यू हैव टू बिल्ड अ लेंस फॉर इट. धीरे धीरे कर करके वो आपको आएगा. बट यू हैव टू मेक अ डिसीजन दैट आई विल बी फिनिकी अबाउट इट. मैं अपना रोज कैलकुलेट करूंगा. मैं अपने हर मील में एक ना एक प्रोटीन सोर्स तो ऐड करूंगा ही करूंगा, नो मैटर व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. राइट. सो व्हाट्स द टास्क वन? ऑल ऑफ यू आर नाउ वेल, ऑल ऑफ यू नो, यू आर लाइक habit बन चुकी है. What I mean to say, to start your day with nuts and seeds, what you just have to do is along with that you can add a protein smoothie or you can take a sattu drink, whichever you feel comfortable with. I would recommend to take a protein smoothie because it would have a higher concentration of protein. सत्तू में carbs भी होते हैं और less quantity of protein होता है, but it's a open call. There is something better than nothing. Most of us start our day with chai and biscuits. That's a super, super, super no. What we really want is to start our day with nuts and seeds, protein and fiber. Cool? Make sense? How we start our day? So this is me and Shrutika actually start our day with. We take 2 scoops of moong dal protein. To it we add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We add a handful of berries, mostly blueberries. Then we take 10 almonds, 10 soaked almonds, 1 walnut, 4 cashews, half handful sunflower and pumpkin seeds, 5 black raisins, and 5 pistachios. Along with this, we take omega-3, vitamin D, vitamin C, and B vitamins. This is how we like to start our day. It's like super, super nutritious, super rich, and very filling. But I won't recommend this to everyone because it's slowly your gut will be able to handle this kind of fat. But at this point of time, the nuts and seeds that you're already taking, you should take that. And उसके साथ आप एक protein smoothie ले सकते हो. We would recommend you take a very soft plant-based protein. But if you have different proteins like a whey protein or some other soy protein, you can take that as well. But this one is purely vegan and it suits 90% of the people, right? It's very safe to consume as well. Second is that जो हमारी इंडियन प्लेट होती है वो कुछ इस तरह दिखती है. हम रोटी चावल, एक कटोरी दाल सब्जी, साथ में गुलाब जामुन आइसक्रीम ये सब लेना प्रेफर करते हैं. तो हमारी जो इंडियन मील प्लेट होती है उसमें ऑल ऑफ अस हार्श ट्रुथ इज 5 से 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन, 10 ग्राम प्रोटीन मैक्स मिल जाता है. बिकॉज हमारी वायरिंग कभी ऐसी हुई नहीं है कि कैलकुलेट करो कि आपका रियल फूड कितना है खाने में आपकी प्लेट पे. तो हम मतलब वी जस्ट लाइक किस तरह से मतलब निकलते रहते हैं. कुछ टाइम तक बॉडी झेल लेती है, 35-40 तक झेल लेती है. उसके बाद ऑल द रेपरकशन स्टार्ट टू शो अप ऑन द बॉडी. बट वी डोंट वांट दैट फॉर यू because you are here, you're getting educated. So what you need to do is that you need to add sources of protein in your meal plate. What are the sources of protein? In every meal that you consume, add either paneer or chicken or eggs or fish, whichever you are comfortable with, at least in one meal of the day, right? And the third one is workout. Sedentary lifestyle, बैठे हो पूरे दिन, this won't cut it. Get up and move. If you get up and move, your body will thank you and you will feel so happy from inside. That's the real dopamine. Chase the real dopamine. Okay, how do we plan our workouts? I'll be sharing a link with all of you on the group every day. You will have workouts already. You just need to click on the link and the workout will start. Just follow along. Okay, this is for your generic information how we do it. We like to mix it up. We do aerobic conditioning, which is like running, biking, swimming, playing any sport. We lift weights with either the dumbbells, the barbells, or the resistance bands. And we also like focus on flexibility and mobility. And the same thing, we'll give you a glimpse of that in the next 7 days, that how you can practically plan your workouts. So we will give you a glimpse of that with videos, follow along videos that you can just click and you can do. If you already are working out and you have a plan for yourself, continue that. My goal, our goal as a community is to help you get started. That's it, plain and simple. So what are the tasks for this week? Kickstart your day with a protein smoothie. Second, have at least one protein source in any of the one meals. Third, workout, get moving. If you do this, you will be able to preserve your muscle mass. If you're able to do that, you already understand what are the host of benefits of doing that. Okay. So week 1 tasks continue. Our goal, as Shrutika mentioned at the start of the call, is that we want to stack our habits. What you learned in week 1, continue with that. By the end of 4 weeks, we'll have 12 things to track. If you're able to do that, you live disease free and you'll live a crazy, crazy happy life. So what the tasks for this week are, जो आप 3 चीजें week 1 में कर रहे थे वो आप करते जाओ. वो हम आपको पोल में डालते रहेंगे. सो यू कैन बी अकाउंटेबल टू योर सेल्फ एंड टू द ग्रुप, टू ऑल द पीपल हु आर डूइंग दिस टास्क. एंड सेकेंड, जो ये 3 टास्क हैं वो हम आपको शेयर, मतलब वी हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू उसका बेनिफिट क्या है, कैसे करना है, और पैरेलली हम उसका पोल में ऐड करते रहेंगे. प्रोटीन स्मूदी, ऐड 1 सोर्स ऑफ फैट एंड प्रोटीन एंड डू योर डेली वर्कआउट. कूल. रिसोर्सेज, सो ये रिसोर्सेज हम शेयर करेंगे. लाइक आई सेड, comprehensive protein chart, okay, how to make a protein smoothie, how to make legume salads, right? What are the different recipes that you can make, XYZ, 10-12 चीजें जो भी आपको चाहिए, everything will be shared with you on the group. What you just have to do is follow along. That's it, plain and simple, right? Okay, so for links of the plant protein, for MCT coconut oil, whatever you guys are sharing with me on chat, I will share all the links on the group. You can, we have been using the same, you can also use the same. Okay, so in the next, when we catch up next Sunday, I'm going to talk about my favorite topic, that is sleep. Sleep is one pillar that no one talks about. And if you sleep less, तो आपकी पीठ थपथपाई जाती है कि भाई ये देखो एकदम शेर लौंडा है, कम सो के भी एकदम सेम काम करता है, मचाता रहता है. So we'll in the next Sunday we'll talk about sleep, but this week let's just focus on building muscle, right? Cool. Any questions if anyone has? अगर किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आया या फिर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है, it can be anything, any question, you can just type it on the chat window. I'll answer that. See, while I can cover a lot of things, but I just wanted it to be crisp, short, and you should have just one takeaway. Because there's so much stimulus outside. You are bombarded with content on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. There's so much content out there. So thing is that we learn a lot and then we are confused and then we do nothing. But my goal is that with this 20-minute strong session, you just have one takeaway, and with that one takeaway you are able to really implement or do something in your life with that. So अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है या फिर किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर ने कुछ बोला है जो मैच नहीं करता है, फिर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हिट हो रही है, फील फ्री टू आस्क योर क्वेश्चन. Okay, I take it as a compliment that I was super clear with everything that I shared. And I would want to end on this quote that, by the way, any guesses like whose muscle do you see on the screen? Cool. Yeah, it's me. Yes, that is me. We would recommend to go for a plant protein. We don't like tell people to use whey proteins. If whey protein suits you, you can take a whey protein. But the problem with whey protein is that there is a lot of toxin load in the whey protein because cows are being ingested with tons of hormones. So we someone like flexing the muscle. Someone is at the gym. Okay, it's Ayush. Amazing, bro. So cows are being ingested with oxytocin and serotonin. And when cows are being ingested with these hormones, the same thing also passes in the milk that you consume, and it is also in your whey protein. So for women, whey protein is absolute no. If you find goat-based whey protein, goat whey, you can take that. But in India, I don't know if whether goat whey is available. But the generic whey protein for women, I would hold back. I personally consume a plant protein, have been consuming plant protein for quite some time. I was using whey earlier, but then like I shifted after all the research that I did. And I would urge the same to all of you as well. But if whey suits you and you're comfortable with it, you have my blessing. You can take that as well. So if you hold your muscle, you can slow down the pace of your aging because you don't just want to live long, you really want to live strong, right? So that's the thing with which I would want to end the session. And I hope that I'll see all of you doing all the activities. And if you have any question, like feel free to drop it on the chat window or on the WhatsApp group as well. For people who are listening to me on YouTube, the same applies for you as well. With this, I would wish you a very happy Sunday evening and see you all next Sunday. Thanks a lot for joining in. Bye bye, guys. Take care.